What is going on, you guys? Good morning, good morning. I had to sleep in today and it is 9:50 on a weekday. We're just getting the day started, but I feel like I needed that. So I'm starting this vlog in my robe because doesn't every good vlog start in a robe? I don't know if it does, but this vlog is going to. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. Today I'm gonna be taking you guys through a full day of eating and we're starting off with our greens, guys. This is how it goes. This is how we do over here. So let me show you. So we have our 1-Up greens and reds. This is the pineapple flavor. It's the end of the bottle. I go through this stuff so fast. So we're gonna be drinking that first and oh my gosh. And then we're gonna be making our everyday greens smoothie. So I have a full video on this that I do recommend that you guys watch because it's a dedicated video, but I'm just gonna tell you guys what is in the smoothie right now. So we have 1 celery stalk, we have romaine, we also have spinach. You need to grab that out of the fridge. This is a red pear. Have you guys ever seen a red pear before? We're gonna try that out today. We usually do green. Half of a lemon, 1 apple, 1 banana, chia seeds, hemp hearts, 1 scoop of the key lime avocado protein, some ashwagandha. It's gonna be delicious. Let's get this day started. All right, you guys, brunch is served. This is also my pre-workout meal. So I have egg whites and 1 full egg. I got this truffle powder from a local store here in Vancouver. It's called Gourmet Kitchen and it is so good. I've tried truffle salt before, but I just didn't want the salt in order to get the flavor, so this stuff is awesome. It's expensive, but it's good. And then the best oats in the world, I have 40 grams as pre-workout, and then there is some frozen berries on there, 20 grams of nut and seed butter, bee pollen, there's some vanilla stevia and cinnamon as well as chia seeds. So that is meal number 1. I'm getting ready to do an at-home workout, and look at this little nugget. So cozy in the blanket. You're so stinking cute, Moof. Got a little fort there. Yeah, you're a good girl. We're having a hard time focusing today. All right, I am about to get ready for an at-home upper body workout. I am going to be filming for YouTube, so you guys will see that in a separate video because today is just gonna be all about food. And this bra is just like super push-up. So I wanted to show you guys what I am taking pre-workout because it's brand new and I'm completely obsessed. Like, I love this stuff. So this is the new 1-Up Nutrition stimulant-free pre-workout. My favorite flavor is the peach rings. There is a sour peach rings flavor from 1-Up, and then there is just peach rings, and it tastes like the best peach juice ever. So this is a stimulant-free pre-workout. I already had my coffee. My coffee is something I'm not willing to give up in the mornings, and then just having pre-workout on top of that is way too much. We do not want anxiety. So I am so happy that they made a stimulant-free because it gives you really good energy still. It gives you an awesome pump, and I love it. I had a crazy pump the other day at the gym, and I was having way too much fun. Cheers. Mm-mm-mm. 15 to 20, we're gonna do a little bit of a palm rotation here. It's gonna look like this, just to spruce it up. You're gonna rotate to face each other. Your palms are gonna face each other at the top. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you guys, time to make a post-workout meal, and I'm gonna throw you guys a little bit for a loop, just a little bit, okay? I'm having oats as a pancake instead of just oats today. So I took 60 grams of oats, which is what I have post-workout. I put it in my little mini food processor here, and I'm going to make it into oat flour, and then I'm just gonna mix it with some egg whites. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of a banana in it because that's what I want to do today. And I'm just gonna eat it with some berries on top. So let's do it. Let's do it. All right, I just added 106. I went for 100, but we had a little bit extra in there. That's okay. Grams of egg whites, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of stevia here. I usually have 200 to 250 grams of the egg whites at a time. So then whatever I have left over, I'm just gonna make on the side. And then I just did half of a banana and put that on top. I feel like caramelizing them, that's why I didn't mash it inside of the pancake. And then I have 100 grams of this frozen berry mix from Costco. I'm gonna put that in the microwave to put on top of my pancake. All right, and there we go. We just have the remaining egg whites topped again with the truffle seasoning. So good. I probably should have put it on a separate plate, but whatever, YOLO. And then here I have the pancake with the bananas in it. Oh, it smells and looks so good. And then I just topped it with those berries that I heat up in the microwave. It gives it a little bit of like a syrup because I don't have syrup. Also, just better to not have the artificial sweeteners in those sugar-free syrups. And then I topped it with some bee pollen. So this is the bee pollen that I get. It's from Whole Foods. It's in the fridge section. It's so good and just fresh. Bee pollen is supposed to melt and taste like creamy. If you get bee pollen and it's hard as rock, it's old. So it should be like really powdery and just creamy with whatever you put it in, especially if it's hot. There we go, post-workout. All right, you guys, it is midday, 3 o'clock now, and I'm gonna be making myself a matcha latte. So I have been thoroughly enjoying this brand of matcha. It's actually a Canadian company. I wanted to share this with you guys. Let me put you up here. So I've been drinking it for about a month now, and I have to say, before like January, okay, there we go. Before January, I never really drank matcha lattes. It just was more of like a coffee person. But then that second coffee sometimes would put me over the edge and I'd feel a little bit anxious and just maybe even waste half of it. So I had a craving to make matcha lattes at home because matcha lattes out are actually pretty high in calories or sugar sometimes. So I came across this brand called T-Angle. It's so cute. It's like T-Angle, and they have a bunch of different flavors here. So fun. So this one is called Ginger Lemongrass, and it actually comes with little to-go packages as well. This is chai, matcha chai. It is so stinking good. I've been really enjoying those two, and I have yet to try the ceremonial. I have tried ceremonial matcha before, so that's why I was really excited to try the flavored ones. And then there's also a peppermint one. So I'm gonna make a matcha latte right now. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So I have 2 scoops. It came with like a little scooper. I have 2 of the peppermint today, trying it for the first time. What I like to do here is pour in some water and then use my frother. I got this one from 1UP. It's awesome because, ooh, that smells very pepperminty. This is gonna be nice. It kind of reminds me of Christmas. I like to just put a little bit in, stir up that matcha, and then I add the rest of the water. And you guys can drink it like that, but like I said, I like to make it like a misto or a latte with some steamed almond milk. So I just have my frother here and I place that on top. And that is what I'm gonna drink next. If you guys wanna try any of them, definitely try the ginger lemongrass or the chai because they are so unique and different. The peppermint is good, but you will really like those matchas. All right, I will see you guys in a bit at my next meal. I'm going to get some work done. Currently working on client programs right now, and I am drinking some kombucha and drinking my water. Making the next meal. My next meal is just some sushi rice, tilapia, and air fried green beans. I always have one basic meal a day, and this is it. It just helps me stay on track, mindlessly stay on track while I'm working. It's good, it hits the spot. And then on my rice, I have some of this coconut soy sauce. Back in my robe, you guys, I am prepping dinner for 1. I've just been working literally all day. I'm prepping dinner for 1 because my fiance went out to eat, and I was gonna go but I truly wasn't feeling the restaurant. It's a teppanyaki place, and while it could be healthy because it's just like protein, carbs, and vegetables, it's on the big platter and they cook it in front of you type of thing, and it's a little bit hard to say no butter or oil or like light, so I just wasn't feeling it today. So I'm gonna be prepping a little something something. I'm gonna be making lemon pepper potatoes and ahi, and then I'm gonna be eating the rest of a carrot chili soup that I made. So I'll show you guys that. Usually when I do the lemon pepper potatoes, I like to marinate them for a little bit, but we don't really have time for that. So we're just gonna wing it. Next up, I have my grapeseed oil. So I'm gonna spray that nicely on top. And I'm gonna be doing some garlic powder. I can't forget that. That's the good. So gotta put some garlic powder on there. Like I said, when I marinate it, I like to put it all in a big bowl and like massage it in, but we're kind of just doing things fast tonight. Some onion powder. Sprinkle that all over top. Whoa, that was a lot. Some lemon pepper seasoning. Got some fresh lemon. And some dried parsley. So that's gonna be delicious. And there we go. Dinner is served for one. Here we have blackened ahi tuna as my protein. It's kind of mangled. I just wanted to make sure it was cooked the right amount. And then lemon pepper air fried asparagus, our lemon pepper Greek style potatoes, and then a carrot chili soup. I'm gonna walk you guys through how to make that carrot chili soup in my next full day of eating. It is so easy. For now, I'll put the recipe down below in the description box. You guys are gonna love it. If you have a Vitamix, you're gonna be able to make it in like 15 minutes. All right, that's it. Okay, my friends, so that is going to wrap up today's video. I'm in my PJs and I'm ready to go to bed. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please do not forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, as it shows support for the channel, and subscribe if you want to see more. Love y'all. Mwah! See you in the next one.